savior. Sani amanina ebedu shamo. There have been armed robbers kronfo died those years about 30 years ago. Akwa mensha kwa bi omo bona ombo omo ye bibia onye bo akwa mensha akwa mensha. Afa finally kwa ba ku so ni mu a hetenesa di twinisa onua da for me. Na omo kwa hwe anwom ebo bona sene nya asem ketwa. I want any power team and opay to sing say bibia bedu hwamo. Now sunsum cry no edru some stage edru time bia sunsum ne yira o shadow no it leaves you. The only thing that you can trust and put yourself on and put your trust on is God. I don't kwani ade ni hwamo. Di aka bia ebe felu. So what I'm saying this morning is Nyaminya odiane mawa. It doesn't mean that there's an alternative. There's no alternative anywhere. The only thing that you have, fashion trim nyame. Ononkwa no nyuma. Ononkwa no ndi uhwamo. Just keep on trusting him. Wone mere pamuno tieni o. What the minute that thing you think it cannot be done will be done. Sadia watching your say, Sadia don't enter me bemuno, a bebem.
Sompa FM.
Your hour can be today, your hour can be tomorrow, your hour can be 3 days to come. Obiana and Chishan and time I ask shaman. So don't throw in the towel yet. So did you when you miss swa? I love and say be Excellency the former President Kufuor Adokan. Or say so did you when you mu a sa de no kwa de. I'll always remember this man for that. Now I don't want to nyame so a. Woni mmrem no eniema ebeyeye ama. Eniema ebe fawati. Things will never be the same. I'm not motivating you, I'm telling you reality. Make a show cry keke. Make a de wom na achere wo. So do want to nyame so a. Ade nyina be diabo. Ne be wi oye. Niama ebe dane. Eniama be sesa. Eniama ebe yeye. So no ane shebre sesafo or ne shebre krafo. Araboto fo Yakopon na sumdua. Abura sumdua nyina so enka ho no pay. May the peace of our Lord Jesus surpasses all understanding be with us this morning. We say assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. It is a beautiful Thursday morning, the 19th day in the second month, February. A movie with a high speed copper. Now what our deka papa now also I di wonka eni age nti abasa na adwumayefo eni age de bom na adwuma o na sende mo papa ya we wo easy that's will be bia be fine our very kobo exactly 7 sports for me thank you over there oboya. We will be back to serve you the hottest and the biggest breakfast in town. And I better get on forces. Damia Daruma. Yedrianuma Mokamu. Terrorists attack you more Burkina Faso. I catch us that there were 2 things that is happening. Oh, Burkina for the Ankasa and your margins or mu a tosuno. Ombese ko baby wa bra. Omu enye bin fidio mu industry. So I said terrorists for those why your margins say, Obi ambe wo kwan so bi ade. Sika ode yom beje na it wasn't at the pakra would somebody be why ntimi nka aya de atantan dia omde ye timambufo na no dene abi kra unfortunately ahwere won kwa ebi hwere won kwa kope bibia bedi o kope kakra bedi abusuan de ebediti ene me be de nenam. In fact, Ghana nyina ne adehye akam na the immediate family ema mo nyina so yako. It's not a good news at all. Enya de a ede anu edin eya party esrem se bonya abotre ne se nyame na so enchechire mo re emu oya ti Ghana ban gen hyehyeye na hyehyeye mu akofa wona woka mu wo ho no aba na ombai na se bi kra ehia immediate medical attention na yet bi call 37 military hospital ebi je ayarhwe mama ba so ade ba ko ya ade pa wo ho se wodo ankasa tu ne nan pa na okohwe nyoma bi se na no kai a the first days obaye da demonstration bi ba be koso civil servant no mu kai nyoma bi terms of condition odo akọ ho ko negotiate we is odo akọ. You see, it shows care and maturity. And you be na bit my na kakra na and also chichire na all about me also send messages to them. I have faith. That is the beauty of leadership. Ministry of Health, Enra, I will catch up say. I have a from Mukofano, every polyclinic room Yamiadum, and cry hodum no or Mako na ono ani nua yesi hu de ekoso from no say na wo so wo da bai freni nua ba se ma wo o mehwe ma wo na ba no ye chema yesi awo ho ayedi ama no na awo ho ayedi ama wa eno nche se kofo obi die nipa no so se bi onim bra wa bra nsa no ono nso onya bie nti enura nyame adom ohun ne ba no but it's a high cost say Emra abrante ya Rafa se hwan enso call hospital wa sa nyoman bam ne ka chom se hospitals no e was ye ba security hu hia yen wenye nyame na adom kra na CCTV no mu hinda even CCTV sometimes to trace the person it takes time.
Sompa FM
it is enya akwada na ope so de no koto ana ka ye nipa bonfo bi na o se o de kwa akoye bibia asa America bia de nya hweso blower nya obi ani nua no na kan ye na de crowd de ko enko de na ye awia ye be hu no kra na adia ye awie o ti da bia meka be say yan penny for no there was a reason why omo ye uniform man nurse ni teacher for ola be cover ye be din come on the security of yen hospital and so hodom na Abaiba, so I think during campaign time now, I call for candidacy for their beacon. Almost the list by Chief Justice Yabe Pamano. Office of the Special Prosecutor, yeah, the Special Prosecutor himself. Kisia Japin Yabe Pamano. Almost Kaya may say, Mammy Jane, so also Mbe Pamano. Almost yeah, said Dr. Boss Basari, the two deputies in the Mbeka Pambo Waka. Easy no. And don't go far crata and go a petition Markman Consul. The Chief Justice Trans if you want to say, assembling in a Soviet, a baby, and some petition on the bar, a young woman was or more when you're Majuma. But is it strategic? Are we to expect the West or Saneko? I don't pay your friend like Kwame Nkwantabisa and Nkwantabisa. Bekoba yebedin kobo Kwame Jako join us. Sansuna Barbara so jirem production kama. So I'm ready. Orlando I am ready. Amber Power so be join it. Work munyina so I ready kunsa sports team no I ready on besumye. Mekwaba.